Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite recipe on how to make spaghetti. If you're interested, keep watching. So I'm starting up with a fresh meat, a grinded meat. I bought it in the shop, in Tesco shop. I'm going to add it in a bowl and then I start adding my ingredients just the same way you parboil meat. That is how you are going to add ingredients on this because we want the meat to taste very nice. Next, I'm going to be adding my spices. These spices contain curry powder, salt, and Maggi. After which, I'll add the onions. And then I'm going to be adding this favorite spice of mine. I have a video on how I made it. It contains ginger, garlic, spring onions, thyme, and many more. I have a link on that video. I'm going to leave it in the description box of this video. Please go check it out. I'm sure you're going to like it. Next, I'm going to mix it up nicely. Make sure all the spices go into the meat very well. Once I'm done mixing it up, next I'm going to bring out my air fryer. This air fryer, it like say come the time we suppose they work. Oh, I'm going to mold this meat, make it in a circle shape, and then put it into the air fryer. Then take it in the air fryer to dry the meat. And I know say I like dry meat. I know if you do without dry meat too. So this is how it look. I'm going to put it in the air fryer, allow it to dry a bit. And then next, I'm going to be adding my spaghetti inside the hot water. Guys, I so much love this recipe. Whenever I'm making my spaghetti, this is how I make it. It always came out nice. So I decided to share it with you guys. Once I'm done, I cover the pot, allow it to boil. You know, so we Nigerians, we boil this thing well. I don't know about Oyibo. Then I'm going to sieve it out with my sieve. Once I'm done sieving it out, I'm going to be adding my coconut oil in the pot. Guys, ever since I read about the benefit of coconut oil, I said to myself, oh, more I go to eat coconut oil, who no like better thing. So I added it in the pot, and then this is my tomato. I added tomato on it. And then I started adding the leftover ingredients because I hate frying stew. I hate because it goes scatter everywhere, they pour it for body. I said, let me just add what I need to add and then cover the pot, allow it to boil, guys. So once I'm done, I just give it a little bit of stir and then cover it before it starts disgracing itself. Then after 5 minutes, I open it, give it a stir. Then I started adding my dry meat. You know, the meatball. I started adding it because it's dry now. I added into the tomato sauce, then cover it to boil for another 5 minutes. So guys, this recipe is so amazing. I love it so much. If you're going to be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. If you try it and like it, come back and comment on this video, okay? After 5 minutes, guys, I'm going to remove it back again from the tomato sauce and then add my soup and then put in my spaghetti and mix it up nicely. This delicacy, no be for here. It will take you to heaven. I'm not gonna lie you. Next, I'm adding my fish. You all know I love fish for this channel. You know that one. I know the joke with fish. I added fish and then added my macaroni and then give it a mix and then allow it to steam for another 5 minutes. But this time around, I'm going to reduce the heating of the stove because we no longer need that much heat on it. One good thing about spaghetti, there are many ways you can enjoy it. You can enjoy it with sauce, vegetable sauce, meat sauce, tomato sauce, whichever one you prefer is still going to taste amazing. That is why I love spaghetti so much. You can as well make it porridge the way I'm doing it now and you still enjoy it. Guys, after which I'm going to test for salt and then cover it for another 5 minutes. That is it, guys. Your food is ready. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. See you all on my next one.